Sammy the Salmon, written by Deborah Klein, illustrated by Linda Farrington Wilson. Are you ready? Let's take a look. Dedication to Sam, my 1 pound 13 ounces 26-week miracle. You will always be Mommy's king, the king of them all, because I see you as you, an awesome boy who no longer is small. To Emily, my beautiful princess, may you always make paper lassies and catch all the stars. To all the preemie parents of the world, always fight for your miracle baby. Sammy the salmon was the smallest fish anyone had ever seen. He was so little, he was only the size of a lima bean. You see, Sammy was born early. Premature is what they say, to a mummy and daddy salmon that had so welcomed this day. Welcome, baby boy. To care for and love Sammy back to health, they kept him in the hospital for fish. His mommy and daddy finally brought him home and got their greatest wish. He was so tiny, everyone was scared. Will we hug him too tight, give him too much food, drop him? But everything turned out fine and put a rest to all their fears. He was getting so big and strong, he really started to grow. His mommy and daddy were ready to take him out of the house to meet all the other fish and put on a show. The big day came when Sammy could go out to meet the world and learn to swim. What if he got hurt or broke a fin? His parents were so nervous for him. Sammy was ready to see the sights. They opened the door and Sammy swam out. He was ready to be free, to swim, do flips and give everyone a shout. Swimming was so much fun. Why hadn't they let me swim before? Why were Mom and Dad so protective of me? They wouldn't even let me go out the door. I love my mommy and daddy so. I know they love me so much too. Being born so tiny was hard on all of us. I never wanted them to feel blue. But I need to learn and explore new things, to be brave and just get out. I want to swim around the river and find out what this big world is all about. I am big and strong now, not like before. My mommy and daddy can rest. I'm going to be just fine. I know because they always tell me I'm the best. Sammy the salmon grew up to be the absolute biggest salmon anyone had ever seen. He was sweet, smart, handsome and lean. I guess the old saying, the best things come in small packages, is true, because we got the best thing the day you were born, our wonderful, precious you. Welcome, baby boy. About the author. Deborah is a mommy to Sam, her miracle child, who spent 3 months in the NICU. She's also the proud mommy to Emily, her precious daughter, who was adopted from South Korea. Deborah has always been an advocate for children first and foremost, along with being a special education teacher for the past 17 years. She understands that all children are special and unique. I hope you enjoyed this book. Be good for Mommy and Daddy. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching Storytime with Gita. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media. 1, 2, 3. Read with me. See what's the next book is going to be. Pictures that are work of art, and some books that make you very smart. With words that bounce up off the page, they are good for children of every age. Learn the letters A, B, C, and stories that wow you and me. Grab your books and gather around and listen to Gita read aloud. Sit and enjoy the relaxing tone, and maybe one day you'll write your own. Don't forget to be good for Mommy and Daddy. Obey, respect, and help them daily. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye for now.